Did you know that the way you eat avocado after 50 could actually harm your health more than help it? Most people think avocado is always safe, but when eaten the wrong way, it can quietly work against your body instead of supporting it. And that's exactly what I want to reveal to you today. 5 dangerous mistakes seniors over 50 make with avocado that can be avoided with just a little awareness. Before we dive in, let me ask you something. How often do you include avocado in your weekly meals? Do you use it as a topping in salads, or maybe spread it on toast? Comment below and share, because I'd love to know how you enjoy it, and you may discover whether you're making one of these common mistakes. Now let's begin with part 1, where I'll show you how something as simple as portion size can make all the difference. Avocado is often praised for its healthy fats, but it's very calorie dense. After 50, when your metabolism naturally slows down, eating too much avocado at once can quickly lead to unexpected weight gain. A single avocado has about 250 to 300 calories, and many of us eat the whole fruit without thinking. I recommend sticking to about 1/3 to half an avocado per serving so you enjoy the benefits without tipping the scale. Another mistake I see is pairing avocado with the wrong foods. I once had a patient who loved mashing avocado on fried tortillas with cheese on top, thinking it was healthy because of the avocado. The truth is, when you combine healthy fats with heavy oils, processed cheese, or deep-fried foods, you create a calorie bomb that strains your heart and digestive system. Instead, try pairing avocado with fresh vegetables, whole grains, or lean proteins. It not only tastes better, but it gives your body the nutrients it truly needs. Here's something most people don't realize. Avocado can interfere with certain medications, especially blood thinners and cholesterol-lowering drugs. If you're over 50, chances are higher that you may be on one of these prescriptions. Because avocado is high in vitamin K, eating large amounts can affect how your blood clots, and this can alter how your medication works. I always remind people, before you make avocado a daily habit, check with your doctor or pharmacist if it's safe for your personal situation. Now let's move into part 2, where I want to talk about freshness and storage. Have you ever cut an avocado, left it on the counter, and then eaten it after it turned brown? That discoloration isn't just unappealing, it's a sign the fruit is oxidizing, which means nutrients are being lost and harmful compounds can develop. After 50, your body is more sensitive to oxidative stress, so always store avocados properly. Keep unused halves wrapped tightly and refrigerate them to protect those valuable antioxidants. Another dangerous habit is eating avocados that are overripe or spoiled. I've met many seniors who say, "I didn't want to waste it, so I just scraped off the bad part and ate the rest." But bacteria and mold spread deeper than what you can see, and a weakened immune system after 50 makes food poisoning far more risky. When in doubt, throw it out. Your health is worth more than saving a few dollars on fruit. I also want to clear up a myth about avocado oil. Many people assume cooking with avocado oil is always safe because it has a high smoke point. But if you leave it on the pan too long, it can still break down into harmful compounds. I suggest using it for light sautéing or as a finishing oil for salads, rather than cranking up the heat. Remember, just because something is labeled healthy doesn't mean it's indestructible in the kitchen. Now, in part 3, let's talk about timing and balance. One mistake I often see is eating avocado late at night, especially in heavy meals. Because avocado is rich in fat, it takes longer to digest. If you eat it right before bed, you may experience acid reflux, bloating, or poor sleep quality. Instead, enjoy it earlier in the day, on toast in the morning, in a lunchtime salad, or as an afternoon snack when your body has more time to process it. Another point is relying on avocado as your only source of healthy fats. While avocado is wonderful, your body needs variety. Omega-3s from fish like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds are just as essential, especially for brain and heart health after 50. By rotating your sources of good fats, you avoid overloading on just one nutrient and give your body a balanced toolbox of protection. Finally, here's a personal story. I once spoke with a senior who believed eating 2 avocados a day would reverse aging. She was disappointed when her cholesterol went up instead. The lesson here is that balance is more powerful than extremes. Avocados can be a great ally for your health, but only when enjoyed in moderation and with mindfulness about your unique needs after 50. So let me ask you again, which of these mistakes do you think you might be making? And what's one small change you're ready to commit to starting today? Share in the comments because your story might inspire someone else watching this video. As your health guide, I want to leave you with this encouragement. Eating well after 50 is not about fear or strict rules. It's about awareness, choices, and giving your body the care it deserves. Avocados can be a delicious part of your diet as long as you respect their power and avoid these 5 mistakes. Stay motivated, stay informed, and remember, you're never too old to make a small change that leads to a healthier tomorrow.